Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by securing data. Backup personal files to cloud or an external drive so nothing is lost. Next, collect work account credentials and confirm company removal policy. This avoids policy violations. Once done, make sure your device is charged, connected to Wi-Fi, and temporarily disable the screen lock to speed the process. These steps let you move quickly into account removal without data loss or security mistakes, and they set context for separating personal data from work-managed resources. You now remove accounts. Go to Settings, sign out and remove the work account first so corporate management profiles stop enforcing policies. Then clear app caches and app data, revoke permissions, and uninstall work-specific apps to remove synced data. After that, delete or sign out of personal accounts you no longer want on the device, double-checking each app for leftover credentials. As you proceed, verify syncing is stopped so no data keeps flowing between accounts, and keep backups in case you need to restore anything. Finish by deciding if a factory reset is necessary. If so, confirm backups, then perform the reset to fully remove all work artifacts. Once complete, reinstall only the personal apps you need and selectively restore data from your backups. If you encounter problems, like a managed profile that won't delete or accounts that reappear, check for leftover device management profiles and remove them, or contact your employer's IT for forced disassociation. That troubleshooting step resolves most stubborn remnants and ensures a clean separation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.